Every VPN you've ever used leaves a fingerprint. Your ISP sees it. Your government sees it. And when they block it, it just stops working. Most VPNs encrypt your data, but the connection itself is obvious. It looks different from normal traffic. That's how ISPs throttle you, how firewalls block you, and how countries shut down VPNs overnight. Fexyn Stealth is built on VLESS reality. Your traffic looks identical to a regular website visit. Same handshake, same certificate, same fingerprint. Deep packet inspection sees nothing unusual, because technically, there's nothing unusual to see. If a protocol gets blocked, Fexyn rotates automatically. WireGuard for speed, Stealth for censorship, OpenVPN as a fallback. Automatic, so your connection never drops. It's also very fast, one tap to connect, works on public Wi-Fi, no throttling, no logs, no limits. Try it free at Fexyn.com.